All right, so I'd like to review a trade that I took on September 27th. It was a Friday. This was a CL long. Let's start with the economic calendar. On Friday the 27th, there was no news for oil. With that being said, I was looking to engage the market at the commodities open, which is 9 a.m. Anytime after 9 a.m., if the setup forms, I would take it. So after the economic calendar, you move right over to the daily chart. You're basically asking yourself, where is price located at the opening time? The end of Thursday, price ended inside this bullish fair value gap area. Friday, we opened up inside that area as well. With that being said, that morning I had a bullish bias. You're looking to go from internal to external. I didn't anticipate it going all the way up here, but I'm just trying to frame a bias at this point. I'm not trying to really frame where I think it's going to go during that session. I just believe it's going to go up. Okay. So after that, drop down to the hourly time frame. And we're waiting until 9 a.m. So I'm going to fast forward this replay a little bit. All right, so at 8 a.m., we're still located inside this area. At 9, we get a spike down, which is what I like to see. If I have a bullish bias, what I like to see at the opening time is a sweep of a low or entering into a fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap. So it looks like at this time we had a sweep of a low right here. So what I would do once I get the sweep of the low at the opening time, drop down to the 5-minute time frame and look for our entry function. All right, so at this point, all I'm doing is waiting for a stop, which we have. Looks like we have a stop inside. We have a stop into the higher time frame level, this level right here. We're looking for a displacement through the potential breaker, which would be this candle, the highest up close before the down move. So at this point, we would be waiting. So let me just put on looking for the 9 o'clock. All right, so at this point, we're looking for our entry function and we wait. So fast forward, just waiting for that displacement through the breaker. Looks like we could possibly get something here. Right there. At this moment, we have everything we need to take a long. You have the breaker. Actually, let me put on all the markups that I actually had. Give me 1 second. All right, there we go. So we have the opening time, higher time frame level inside the bullish fair value gap, stop hunt into the higher time frame level. We have the breaker block confirmed with the displacement through fair value gap formed. At this point right here, we would take our entry, target 2R. Looks like 2R lines up pretty good with the equal highs right here. and you set it and forget it. At this point, I did enter, and I'll play the video for you shortly. I entered right here, and I just let probabilities do its thing. Straight to target. All right, that was the breakdown for this trade that I took on the 27th. Following this, you'll be able to see that execution. Thanks for watching.